In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install AnyDesk on your Windows 11 computer, step by step. AnyDesk is a powerful remote desktop software that allows someone to access your computer remotely, or lets you connect to another computer from anywhere in the world. It's fast, lightweight, and very easy to use. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your Windows 11 PC. Now go to your search bar and type AnyDesk, then press Enter. From the search results, click on the official website, which is anydesk.com. Make sure you're clicking the official website to avoid downloading anything unsafe. Once you're on the AnyDesk website, then click on Download Now. The file will start downloading and you'll see it appear in your browser's download section. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded file to open it. Now the AnyDesk window will appear. At the top of the screen, you will see your address. This is your unique AnyDesk ID. You can share this number with someone if you want them to connect to your computer remotely. If you want to connect to someone else's computer, simply enter their AnyDesk address in the remote desk box and click Connect. That's it, you have successfully downloaded and installed AnyDesk on Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple and easy Windows 11 tutorials.